What app is replacing TikTok? So what are my thoughts on this? So the truth is right now we just basically don't know. There are just bunch of alternatives you can try, but these are not official replacements for TikTok. So first of all, TikTok is being banned in US App Store. So if you have a United States App Store account, TikTok will be basically removed from the App Store, but it still will remain on your device. Just it's not gonna be updated. So you can keep it on your phone for some time, but it's not gonna be updated. And after some period, probably it will just have some bugs and issues and will become unusable. And then, like, you also should know that basically, we still don't know exactly whether TikTok will be banned or not. We will see. Maybe there will be some kind of solution in some near future that it will remain. But anyhow, right now the top alternatives are this Redbook app, which top charts in the charts. You can see it's also called Qian Hongshu. It's a Chinese app. A lot of like US creators
Looks
are
like
going
this.
right now to this app just to check it out. You can see a lot of people here, but this app has Chinese user base, so I don't know how long it will exist actually in the US App Store, so it can be not reliable alternative. So here you have this. Then there is Lemon8, which is like Instagram, kind of another Chinese app built by ByteDance. So it's basically also not safe. But then there are American apps like Clapper, which is like American alternative to TikTok, which you can try. There is Flip app, which is like a flip marketplace where you can just watch and buy things and recommend some things and monetize products. So it's more like a marketplace where you create basically videos showcasing some products and then earning some affiliate commission. So that's that. Then there is like I don't know, Instagram is alternative. Obviously YouTube Shorts, but YouTube is not going that high in the charts. I don't know. And then there are some, like, as you can see here, YouTube Whatnot, I would say. That's another app. So these are kind of the apps, and Favorited also. Some people trying that. So kind of quite few apps here which you can try. That's basically it, I guess. And let's see what will happen here. And then there is also an app called Neptune, where you can go on their website, the Neptune app, and then try to reserve username. The app is not live yet. But yeah, these are some kind of apps which you can try.